Hello everyone, so in a previous episode I promised that we'll make a Kwaito beat from scratch. So let's jump into it so that we can get on to more fun stuff. So for us to do this properly, let's jump into the software dimension. So this is the software I use to do all my audio stuff. I think it's a brilliant piece of software. So I've already finished making the Kwaito beat, so I won't bore you with all the details of how to make it. So I'll just explain my thought process and why I was doing the things that I was doing. So Kwaito is a bass-driven form of music. So we'll start with the bass, obviously. So the bass, I was just trying to come up with something catchy. Sounds like this. So after the bass, the next thing, the kick. So I just thought of a kick like this. This is almost like a common Kwaito kick. It goes like this. So both of them played together sounds like this. Cool, so I added two more things there. Digital claps that just go like, and I was thinking of like a cricket, like a sound of a cricket. So I just try to simulate the sound of a cricket with a wooden percussion instrument thingy. The wooden thing sounds like this. So 4 of those things played together sounds like this. Cool, so now we want a hi-hat, like something that sounds like somehow. So to keep it African, I used a shaker for that. So let's add a shaker and hear how all of them sound. Cool, so the next part, a lot of people make Kwaito use keyboards for this part, but there are no rules to these things. You can use any instrument you're comfortable with, and some DJs also use samples. That's where they sample things from long ago and stuff like that, but I'm comfortable with guitars, so I just added a lo-fi sounding guitar there, so it will sound like this. Okay, cool. So now we want some kind of hook, like something that someone will remember, something that will act like a hookworm in someone's brain. So I've got a sister who's crazy enough to agree to do this with me. So I recorded her and it sounds like this. And then remember rhythmic speech and praise poetry and chanting and things like that were things that were popular from old African music, and it's still present in Kwaito. So I just tried to do something that kind of resembles that. So all together, well, the part where I come in, it sounds like this. Okay, cool. Like, I'm obviously not a Kwaito legend. So if I was going to make a Kwaito beat for someone, this is what I would do. I would obviously put more time into finding better sounding things than things that you just find in the software, but this will work for this illustration. So I hope you got something out of this. So this is just the chorus. I do not have a verse for this, so if you think you can put a Kwaito verse and you think you can do it, give it a try. Send your clip to this email address and then If I like it, I'll put it in the next video, and we'll finish the song, and we'll have some fun with that. So I've also uploaded the beat to SoundCloud so that you can listen for more things. And one more thing. So next week is our first Q&A episode. So if you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and I will answer them in the episode next week. See you next week.
Why you dance so? Big money.